Some smaller right there. Wipe it for me. Sorry, my hand is moved off completely. And then we're gonna add some matte top coat. You see that how good the crystal it is. I'm gonna add the matte top coat on. And matte top coat on this. Okay. And then we're gonna do some cute crystal on. And you don't have to do like a perfect match. You can mix and match any colors you want. All right, I love it. It's perfect for summer as well. So do this one. You can do this. And pink. Pink. Oh, this one different pink. This pink. I find some cute green right there. Okay, that's it. Here for 60 seconds.